Hey, tech enthusiasts. It's Mark Brownlee here, and today we're diving into Apple's latest challenge and their clever solution, so buckle up. All right, let's talk about Apple Intelligence. This is Apple's groundbreaking AI, designed to revolutionize how we interact with our devices. But there's a catch: China. Yep, China's putting some serious obstacles in Apple's way, but are we surprised? Not really. Let's break it down. First up, China's stance. Beijing officials have made it clear launching generative AI like Apple Intelligence without teaming up with local companies is going to be a difficult and long journey. Why, you ask? Well, China wants to tightly regulate these AI models because they can gather real-time information, much like search engines. And we all know how much China loves their regulations, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Any foreign company with a generative AI model has to pass through a pretty rigorous approval process. But there's a shortcut. If they partner with a local Chinese firm, that process becomes a whole lot smoother. Think of it like getting a fast pass at an amusement park. We've seen this before. Remember Google? They pulled out of China in 2010 because of restrictions and censorship. And platforms like Facebook, Wikipedia, and X, formerly Twitter, are still blocked by the infamous Great Firewall. Not exactly a welcoming environment for foreign tech giants. So what's Apple's game plan? According to analysts from Financial Times and JP Morgan, Apple's likely to adopt a flexible approach. They'll probably collaborate with local Chinese companies to navigate these regulations. This isn't new for Apple. They've always been good at adapting to specific market demands. Remember when they made a special iPhone for Japan with a different camera sound? Yeah, they're pros at this. But here's the kicker: this means a delay. Apple Intelligence's launch in China is now expected in the second half of 2025. That's right. You'll have to wait a bit longer if you're in China, but there's a reason for this patience. Apple knows the importance of the Chinese market. They want to maintain their presence there, offering their products globally while adhering to local rules and protecting user privacy. Smart move, right? For now, Apple Intelligence is available globally, except for Europe and China. It's currently only in English, but they've got plans to roll it out in more languages and eventually launch in Europe. No specific dates yet, but stay tuned. So there you have it. Apple's facing some serious challenges, but they're playing it smart. Collaborate, adapt, and conquer. Typical Apple style. What do you think about Apple's strategy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.